Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. You are watching a 3-star resort. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this property like landmark, reviews, location, price, amenities of the property and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, resort location. There is some nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.0, which is the very good. On the screen, you can find all the restaurant reviews provide including information about the cuisine and meals, open for and drive-thru options. Room category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities and images, etc. Room category 2. Room category 3. Next, we talk about the amenities of this resort, so you can see on the screen. 3 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Pets are allowed in this resort. The location of the resort is good and guests fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. The resort accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Check-in time of this resort is 12 p.m. Check-out time is 11 p.m. Guests are required to show a photo ID at check-in. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can use the further link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this resort, then you can help us by commenting. We will help you. For booking or more details, check link in the description. If you have already stayed in this resort, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you may subscribe our channel